In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Audi S6 key fob. We'll go through step by step, show you how to do everything yourself at home. The process is super easy. It will just take you a few minutes. All you'll need is a replacement battery, which for this device is either going to be a CR2032 or a 1632, and we'll get into that in a second. When we open this thing up, we'll find out which battery you have. Both of these you can find online, and there will be a link in the description for each one to go right over to Amazon and find these for a great price. So to open this thing up, the fastest way is just to flip out the internal key. You can see there are two halves of the device. Just grab on each side and pull and wiggle, and it'll come right apart like that. If that is a little too difficult, you can take a flathead screwdriver in the opening on the back and insert and twist, which will just get that started for you, make it a little bit easier. Down here on the bottom part, you can once again just pull this thing open. Inside here where the key was before, you can actually grab on each side and pry this open. And once again, if that is difficult, and if you have the flathead screwdriver in hand, you can use that to go inside and just get some better leverage and just kind of pry the two halves apart. Now inside, if yours is like mine, the battery is just going to fall right out. Possibly you will need to gently lift or pry the battery up with your fingernail or with a flathead screwdriver. And now inside, you're gonna just check and see if you have the 1632 like mine, or if you have this larger 2032. So if you have the 1632, you will buy one 1632. And if you have the 2032, naturally, you will be replacing it with one 2032. And both of those are in the description once again. So when you're ready, take your battery, and this is the same for both batteries, flip it over so the positive side is facing down, and you can just set that into place. Oops. Just drop that in like that. And now you can set the part with the circuit board with the buttons right on top. Click it down and slide these two back together. Squeeze all the way down so that it clicks back into place. And that is it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come on back to this channel. We'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.